With Caseta by Lutron lighting controls, you can schedule your lights to come on every day at dusk and have them automatically adjust as the seasons change. So your family always comes home to a well-lit house. Upgrading your home simply and easily with Caseta smart dimmers means that lighting control is always at your fingertips. Hands-free voice control is just as easy as, "Alexa, turn on dinner time." And when it's time to wind down, there's no need to get up. Just set the scene. At the end of the day, when you've taken care of the things you value most, let Caseta get the lights.
Honey, did we get the lights downstairs? Alexa, turn on good night. Okay.
Welcome home to peace of mind. Learn more at casetawireless.com.